Everything is fine, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
So this one only we are getting the result or not, guys? Come on, this one only we are getting the result, no?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so our result is same only. Nah, so like that operator precedency, increment, decrement. Don't think increment is too much easiest. If anyone is giving the very logic, very base things also no one can resolve, guys. Okay, so we need to see in the life one rule follow, right? Fundamental never change, guys. Okay, basic never change. If you learned in the algebra mathematics a plus b plus c ka whole square as well as all those things, no, so those things never change. Based on that algebra only our any programming languages is there. See, here we are holding the in the a, right? A, like what is that, 7 value, sine theta, cos theta, that those things is different only little bit in the mathematical only, right? Whatever things UI is nothing but what, guys? Geometry, HTML and all those things, whatever things we are designing based on that geometry only, na, that is also my part of mathematics or not? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
So guys, don't think about that. Whatever things we learned in the 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th class, right? Those things only there, this programming also. But I don't know why the people is thinking it different, right? Programming is nothing but our mathematics only. See, AI concept. AI concept is totally numerals and all those things is there. Based on that, statistic concept is there. Based on that one only, right? So if we learn properly our intermediate till intermediate, see, I'm believing on that, guys. If the student is good in the fundamental, that student not at all required to learn anything in their life. But just by seeing that concept and all those things, that person can understand the problem, situation, and all those things. That person can do good. Right, so even though you guys are not believing, right, just I'm sharing one things, guys. Okay, so even though whenever my free time is there, right, I'm studying any motivational books, or as well as I'm studying what is that KG LKG's mathematics book. You cannot think about that, right? Being in this kind of position also, still I'm studying, right? If I'm getting the chance, small kids is studying in the any, even though where I'm staying beside the room and all those things, I'm helping them. Don't do resolve this mathematics like that in a single shot. That students is never forget those things. So try to do that in your home, your kid. If you guys are married, if you have the kid, help them, teach them, right? Make in the layman word their mathematics. So, right, mathematics, if you are focused on the mathematics subject is really so good, guys. So good. Just only one thing, when we are getting the interest, whenever we will get the interest to resolving the mathematics issues, problems, right? Now, so nothing, guys. Our C, if you are learning the C, right? C is totally mathematics only. Now, okay, guys, so now let's move on. Lecture will be that if I start to giving these things, so that is the secondary things. How I learned those things, that one only I'm talking about that, guys. Now let's start. What is that? Our basic, our operators concept is completed now, but some special operators is there in the TypeScript, guys. Some special operators is there in the TypeScript. Let's start to understanding those things now, guys. So we are moving in the last part of our operator, TypeScript operator, guys. Once we complete, then we will start what is that? Control flow. Now. So people are really getting interest with this learning curve, and like, guys, just
Yep.
Yeah, Ravi. Interested, Ravi.
Okay, now
Yes, very interested.
yeah, now let's move on. Let's move on and understand. Okay, first I'll give this example also. Now let's start it. Let's start it now, guys. Special.
Ravi,
Yeah.
one. If you try after line number like b equals to a plus plus is written, same thing again. If you write, then what will be the
Sorry.
what will be the value?
Which one? Say?
b equals to a plus plus. You have right again. If you type after this one, same line after.
No. Where? Here you are saying? Here.
Yeah.
Here you are
Anywhere.
saying.
Yeah. After that, equal to b equals to a plus plus a.
B equal to plus
A. A.
Again.
Yeah.
Again.
Then what will be the
Just
same thing will be happen or
no. Same thing. Why same thing will happen? Again, once here increment is happened, again you are increasing now. No. Now let's change. Why you are confused, boss? Increment one time, one more time increment will happen.
Yeah, 9 will.
2 time increment will happen. No, see.
okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Now, okay. Now let's discuss about what is that special operators, guys, which is there in the TypeScript, which is introduced in the new version of TypeScript now. Special operator. Special operator. What are those special operators now, guys? What are those special operators? First one is what is that? Ternary operator. Ternary operator is nothing but our question mark only. This is newly introduced in the TypeScript, guys. Previously it was not there. In another programming it is there, but in the TypeScript previously it was not there. Second operator is what? Second operator is a type of. What is the use of type of now, guys? So it is used to return the data type of what is that? Value. Data type of value is stored in the reference, stored in the reference, guys. Okay, so but the thing is still I'm not not yet I explained any function, how to declare function, how to declare what is that classes and all those things. So whenever we will enter in the OOP concept, we will learn more and more things about this one, guys. Okay, but don't worry, I'm giving what is that syntax as well as little bit one. We will develop one program, a small program. In that we will see that how it's working, but don't think about that. I'm going to explain deep about type of operator here itself. No, whenever we will enter in the OOP concept, again I will explain it, guys. There deep explanation will be there, but here what is that? Because still we don't have the knowledge about TypeScript classes, how we are declaring, how we are inheriting, how we are designing the OOP and all those things. No, so just focus on that what I'm writing, and based on that, just what is the use of this concept, that one only. Syntax is what is that? Type of reference name. Type of what is that? Reference name. This is the syntax now, guys. This is the syntax now. Based on that, let's design one example. Again, I'm saying that, guys, just focus on type of operator wherever I'm using in this program. Don't think about that what I'm writing. Okay, so now here what is that? I'm taking one function. The function name I'm giving what is that? Get details now. Get details. Okay, I taken one. What is that? One function. And what is that? Here I'm calling this function now. Here I'm calling this function now. Okay, simple guys. Again, I'm saying that still I'm not yet I explained the function. Don't think about that. Just what is that? I want, what is that? I want to read the data from what is that? Some resources. Which kind of data type is there? What are the value is there? What is the variables are there? That API is using. For that only I'm using instance of operator. So focus on that area only. Don't focus on that why I am writing these things, because if the people already know those things, they can. But whoever don't know, don't stress your brain to understanding these things why I am writing. Just only focus on instance of operator. What is that? Sorry, type of operator, not instance of operator, right? Instance of operator also there, don't worry. Type of operator, just focus on what is that type of operator. So what I'm doing now, guys, I want to fetch, what is that? I want to fetch some API. So which API? Okay, I'm fetching that one, what is that? Fake store API is there, right? Fake store API is there. I'm calling that one. Okay, I'm calling that one. So HTTP based on that one, I need to develop our own API. So HTTP, what is that? Let's take fake sorry, fake store API.com, fake store API.com, right? Slash, in that I want product. From there I want, what is that? Products, let's give one, right? One. Now I, based on that one, what is that? I want to develop our own client. Just assume that. Then I will take, what is that? Then callback function we will call. Now here, what is that? We will take here what? Function. We will take one function, right? Function. Let's take in this function. Let's take in this function, what is that? Response.
Yeah.
Response, right? Response. Now in this response, let's return what is that? Response.json data. Response.json data. Okay, just what is that? I wrote one API. What is that? It will hit this what is that? This API. From there I want, what is that? Which kind of data type they are using. For that only we are performing the operation. Then again, then we will use, what is that? Then function. Then what is that? Sorry. Now here we will use, what is that? We will use one function. Now inside that, let's take the data. Which kind of data is there in this API? Now everyone knows that, right? Everyone knows that how we are iterating those data, right? For condition, right? For condition we are taking. Now we learned already this thing, guys. Come on, where property, I want to iterate those data, right? In data, in operator. I think people already remember that or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In operator. Now I'm taking console.log, right? Console.log. Now what I'm doing now, let's take dollar symbol. Now I want to read the property. I want to read the property. Which kind of properties is there? Why I taken products? Property. Now I want to read this property here. Now this property, if I want to read the property, then what is that? We will get, what is that? Which kind of properties is there in this API? Now let's compile it. Still I'm not explaining that concept, guys. Okay, which concept? Now type of. Now I will include now node, right? now we get, right, it's having what is that, this property: id, title, price, description, category, image, and rating. These properties are there, right? Come on, don't worry, this is the third party. This is the URL I taken, right? If you hit that URL, you will get, 1 minute, copy this one, open the Chrome.
Yeah.
See, these properties we are reading, right? These properties we are reading: title, ID, right? Title, ID for the buying the product from the fake store API, guys. Okay, fake store API ID number I taken. These are the many things is coming, right? Now come here. This is the fake store API. From there, just we are buying that cloth and all those things, guys. Okay, so these things is there. Based on that, what we are doing now, just for the experiment sake only, I did. Now come here. Now here, what is that? We get what is that ID, title, property, right? But we don't know which kind of this property now, right? Number type or string type. Come on, this description we get now, properties we get about that API. We get the what is that, property, but our what is that, we want, what is that, we want to know that which kind of this data is there, right? Which kind of data is there. So we know that already we learned, right? Already we learned, right? What is that, how we can, I want what I want to know that which kind of data type these are. This is the int string, this is the title is int string, price is what is the double or anything else, right? So those property we want. So what we will take it now, again we will take dollar symbol, then what is that, we want data, then what is that, property now. Come on, data then property, data then property. If we run, then what is that, now after running that, what we are getting now, we are getting, it's a property, title, it's a property we are getting, right? Laptop 191. But we want, what is that, which kind of data type this is, this properties, guys. It's
Property and
it's a value we are getting, right? It's a value we are getting, but I want to know that what is that, what is the data type of this property. Then what we will take it now, simple, we will take, what is that, type, we will take type of, simple, guys, type of. If we take the type of, then what we will get it now, compile it and run it. What we are getting now, ID is a number type, title is a string type, price is number type, description is string type. Based on that, we can able to develop our own client or not. If we want to interact, what is that, this, what is that, producer application. Come on, guys. So
Yep.
so this, yeah, so dynamically, if any API is there, in the API, if we want to know that which kind of property and that property data type is which kind of nature, right? So if we want to know that, then we are using, what is that, type of operator, clear, people? Don't worry, so much clarity will
Yes,
come.
sir.
So much clarity will come. I said that whenever I will explain what is that OOP concept, at the time we will develop our own API.
Yes,
Our own API. In that, for that, just what is that, for the understanding sake only, currently this discussion is going on and this is the operator. That is the reason I taken this example. That is the reason I taken, what is that, this example now, guys. Okay, so don't worry about that. Still so much explanation will come about that operator. Now let's understand what is that next operator. Let's understand what is that next operator. What is that, instance of. Let's understand what is that instance of. Whoever
Instance of reference.
yeah, whoever Java people is there, they knows that, right? What is the instance operator and what is the use, na? Knows,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It's a similar to Java only. We are learning TypeScript in the Java. Such a great things, no? Now, yeah. Now, let's discuss about that. This one again, I'm saying that this concept, this instance operator, we will learn again in the OOP concept, guys. But again, I will take one small example and I will show that how it's working, right? But the so much things we will learn in the OOP concept now, guys. So now it is the verifies, right? It's a verifies the class name, and what is that? Returns true if object is derived derived if object is derived from what is that? From given class. If what is that? If class is derived for the given class. Now given class is nothing but inheritance. I'm talking about that extend and implement, guys. I'm talking about that. What is that? Implement or extend. So now temporary sake, I'm just showing one example now, guys, but still more clarity will come in the OOP concept, because frequently I will use this concept. These concept I will use in the OOP concept now, guys. So now let's take one example. What is that? I'm taking one example. Let's take class employee, right? Again, I'm taking what is that? Another, I'm taking class product. Two classes I taken, guys. Two classes I taken now. Okay, so next what is that? No, next what I'm going to do now? I'm taking what is that? Let's take anyone name. Let's take today. I want to check whoever joining our session now, guys. Okay, today Lakshmi is in there, no? Hey, one new person.
Ravi, I am here only, Ravi.
Okay. No issue. Okay, it's good. One more new member. I'm seeing that. What is that? Smita Samartha. She is our old student, guys. Okay. She is when I was started architechnology. At the time again, see. Okay, welcome back to architechnology, Smita.
Yeah. Thank you, Ravi. Yeah.
Now, okay, but I will take name of what is that? Our Sandeep only. Sandeep, you are there, no? In the session. Sandeep, are you there?
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
Okay. Now, okay, don't worry. Don't think, guys, I'm doing the partiality. No, for me, each and everyone is same only, right? Even though I'm not interacting so much with the Sandeep also, don't think about that. But just I'm taking his name only, right? Now I'm taking what is that? Sandeep, right? Now let's take Sandeep name, right? Sandeep. Okay, so Sandeep, and what I'm doing now, I'm taking new operator and employee. I created the object of what? I created the object of what is that? Employee. Now I'm taking what is that? Let TV is nothing but product. Nah, come on. Now again I'm taking what is that? Product. Again I'm taking what is that? Product now. Okay, these two object I created now. So I want to check this object, just what is that? What I explained now, guys, what I explained now here, it will instance operator will return what is the true or false. True or false if object from the given class, right? Now come here. Now it will, I want to check it. I want to check that class is deriving with what is that class or not. So what I'm taking now, console dot console.log, right? Now I'm just taking what is the Sandeep is the product, right? Product. Just I'm asking the question. Now here, what is that? I'm taking what is that? Dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. And here I'm taking this reference, Sandeep, instance of product. I'm taking what is that? Product now. Hey, why this one is giving the error?
Instance of employee or a product.
No, that one only, right? That one only I want to show. No, that is product. It should not show. Why? 1 minute.
It will not available in double quote, na? It will be, you need to use what?
Oh, correct. It's my mistake, guys. We need to take this one.
Yeah.
Now, what is that? I'm going to run it now, guys. CLS now CLS. Now here, what is that? Node. Now, what is that? We are getting or not, guys? Sandeep is the product. Sandeep is the product. Is what is that? False. Sandeep is not a product, right? He's an employee. If you check that, what is that? Copy the same again. And here, what is that? Take the Sandeep as an employee. If we are taking employee, then if we run, means what is that? Sandeep is the employee. Right? Employee. See, what is that? Sandeep is the product. False. Sandeep is the employee. True. We are getting or not, guys? Come on, copy this example. And this is the working functionality of what? Instance of operator. Don't worry. Again, we will learn so much things about this one in the OOP concept. I said that just what is the temporary. I'm explaining this one, right? Temporary. I explained this example. Nothing extra things, guys. Nothing extra things now. Okay. So now, okay, already we learned one more operator, guys, but again I'm explaining this one, but not a big explanation I will give. Already we worked, already we seen that, right? What is that? Delete operator. Whenever we are working in the map, I hope people are remembered long back. No, na, don't worry. I'll take again one small example and I'll explain it. Guys. Okay, so delete. So what is the use of it? Is used to delete. It is used to delete. What is that? It is used to delete any property. Any property of what is that? Object. Any property of object. Now I'm explaining. You guys will only tell, hey Ravi, you tell here what is the, here you told any property, but now I will make you people confused. Now I will make you people confused about this statement, because you only wrote this one and you are saying only what is that. We cannot delete this kind of property, but some criteria is there. Those criteria, whenever we will enter in that criteria, I'll explain it, guys. I'll explain it now. Okay, so what is the syntax now? Syntax is nothing but what? Syntax is nothing but what is that? Delete what is that? Object name, property, right? Property now. Okay, fine now. So now let's take these things as an example. So what I'm doing now, guys, simple. Simple. Again, I'm taking one example. Based on that example, we will understand that one. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking, what is that? I'm taking one product, right? We have, what is that? One product. We have, what is that? Which is the any type. Okay, this is our, what is that? Product. Right. Why this one is giving here error? Why this one is giving where product of any? Okay, let's take like that. Okay, now here what I'm going to do now, guys, here I'm taking name. I'm taking, what is that? Name. I'm taking name TV. I'm taking, what is that? TV. Right? I'm taking price. I'm taking, what is that? Price. Let's take 45,000 something. Now this is our product. Now simple, what I'm doing now, I'm printing now console.log. Inside that, let's take name equal to dollar symbol, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now product dot, what is that? What we need? Name. Print it, right? Same like again, what is that? We want price also. Price also. Dollar symbol. Let's take dollar symbol. Now product dot price. Let's take product dot price. Now what we will do it now? Simple. First let's run it, guys. Run it. TSC. Now note what we are getting now. TV we are getting, as well as price we are getting now. Come on, we are getting or not, guys?
Yes.
But what is that? I want to delete one property. Then what we will do it now? We will take delete. We will take, what is that? Delete. What we need to delete now? Product dot. I want to delete the price property. Want to price property. I deleted that. Now compile it. We will get undefined. We will get one undefined result. Means what is that? That property is deleted. It will present so as a, what is that? TV and price is undefined. We are getting or not, guys? Come on, we are getting, right?
Yes.
Right. So this is the example, but the one more things. Now focus on this statement. Whatever I given, it is used to delete any property. First let's take this example. Paste it. Now okay, now I'm writing the note, guys. What is our note? Delete object name dot property, or no, let's take you directly. I will write. You cannot delete the properties of what is that? Built-in object, right? Object. This is the interview question, guys. Okay, they will give, what is that? Some examples. They will give, what is that? Like they will give, what is that? Any, or they will give, what is that? Where where they will give what? They will give what is that? Pi equal to, they will give what is that? Math dot pi. Math dot pi. They will give, under they will give what is that? Now, sudden they will give what is that? Delete math dot pi value. Delete dot math pi value, because this is the, what is that? This is not a user defined. Math dot pi user defined is not, this is not a user defined API, guys. This is given by our TypeScript. Whatever TypeScript is given, if you are trying to delete those API, it will not work. It will not work, guys. Okay. Now, simple, what is that? Now, let's take it. I'm taking what is that? Let's take simple where pi, right? Now, let's take math dot pi. I'm taking what is that? Math dot pi. Now, console dot log. Yeah.
What is any in this problem?
Sorry.
Any.
Any keyword. Okay.
Any is the root keyword of what is that? All keyword. Any is the root keyword of all keyword, right? Already in the like what is the data type, when I was explaining at that time only, I explained.
Yeah, we can say a parent keyword. We can see a parent keyword or not.
Parent child, you cannot say that. You can say root keyword, right? Root keyword, which is already I explained. Why you are getting this doubt now in here? You are you are there, and when I was explaining data type or not?
No.
That is the reason you are getting the you are getting what is that, this kind of doubt. When you joined the RK Technology group,
I was joined technology
when
in
you
6 months.
6 months. I think we started our batch just 2 or 3 months back only, guys. Na, come on. See, I won't have giving your doubt answer, but you know which one already I completed. If you are getting the doubt in that, what I can say, tell me. See, I'm not.
I'm just class 1 or 2.
Okay, that is your issue, na? You can join it. I'm giving the services, you can utilize it. There is no problem in that. But the thing is, if I already explained, then if you are getting the doubt, then what I can give the answer? That is my doubt.
Okay, no, this is my fault because I am so late.
Okay, no issues. So the any is the all data type is what is that? You can say parent also, but that is not right terminology. This is the root. What is the data type of what? All data type. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Now I'm taking what is that? Console dot pi. Now here pi. Here what is that? Now compile it and run it. See, we are getting the pi value, right? We are getting the pi value. Now, if I'm trying to delete it, it will not. It will give what is that? It will give error. What it will give now? It will give what is that? Error. Math dot pi. Math dot pi. What is that? We are getting the error or not? Means what is that? An instruct object that, what is that? Provide basic mathematical function and constraint. The operand of what is the delete operation cannot be read only property. Clear? Now take this example. Take this example here now. Okay, take this example here. Now, what is that? This is the invalid. This is what is that? Valid, right? Now just assume that, guys, if anyone is giving what is that? Delete what is that? Array size, array length. It is possible. Array length, deleting array length? No, because that is the predefined, right?
No.
Array,
Yes, sir.
array name dot length. Length, right? Array name dot what is that? Length. That is also invalid. Invalid if we try to delete. If we try to delete it now, guys. If we try to delete.